Hey guys, this is Zadine here from Raqmedia.com. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create a new brand YouTube channel just in few clicks. Welcome back. Obviously, there are two ways on creating a new YouTube channel. First one, which is to create a new brand Google account, which is heading to your Gmail account and hit create a new one and fill in all the detailed information and just proceed. You can check our tutorial on how to do so step by step. You'll find all the links below the video in the description. So that's the first one, to create a brand new YouTube account within the Gmail account or Google account. But the easiest way is to create the YouTube channel. After creating the Gmail account, you will be redirected to use the YouTube service, which is implemented within the Google options. Great. As you can see here, we are logged in using our Gmail, but we do not have a channel yet. You may need the YouTube channel in order to upload your content if you want to share your content or monetize it, or you want to comment on videos or share your thoughts on the communities. Great. So what we need, as we said, is to create a YouTube channel. That's pretty easy. Just head on to the icon at the top and you will see create a channel. Hit it. Good. Here you will be redirected to the name of your channel, which is the name used in the Gmail. So here you can customize it. Good. Agree to YouTube terms of service and the guidelines. Great. Just hit create a channel. You can still change the picture of your channel just by hitting upload picture and then select the picture you would like to. So here we'll save time and just head on to create our channel. Now it is being redirected. Need to wait a few moments. And voila, your channel is available and active with all the different features. You can still customize the channel. You are being redirected to the YouTube studio. Continue. Then use dark theme. It's available also in here, so just activate it. Cool. Branding. And here we can upload the banner image. So the optimum image is 2560 per 1440 pixels. You can check our other tutorial which will show you how to make your banner by yourself and customize it appropriately to show what you want exactly on your YouTube channel. Great. Just hit done.
www.raqmedia.com.
And voila. Hit publish. Let's now view the channel. The banner is uploaded and everything is going fine. Now you have your channel. All you need to do now is to start your journey in creating your content and publishing it to your followers or subscribers and start getting revenues if you are eligible and being monetized. If you want to get the most out of your channel, just check our YouTube playlist. All the links will be provided below. One last thing to show is how to create a second channel if you want to. So you can do this easily too, just by heading to your settings from the menu in here. Great. And here you have the option of create a new channel. That simple. Just click it. And voila, you have the option to create a new channel, brand new channel for your YouTube accounts by creating a new Google account with its own settings, including YouTube search and watch history. That will create a separate account from the YouTube channel that you have just created. So you have two separate channels. Select the name and hit create. And voila, as you can see, it's that simple. Now you have two channels within your list, and that's useful if you have two different niches or different types of content you want to upload. So for example, here we have crafty, and on our previous channel we have tech tutorial, for example. So this one is the active one. So you can switch between them easily. If you face any problems or still have questions, just comment them below and we'll come back to you as soon as possible. All the best. And with this, we have reached the end. Keep tuned for our coming tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please have them below and subscribe if you want more helpful videos like this. See you around. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com